This tutorial video was created with improved screen capture in version 1.0.3. Let's create a thumbnail using the screen capture function. When you start the editor, it is a little inconvenient because you have to distinguish it by name if you want to select the character you created. At this time, it will be quite convenient to display thumbnails. Select the root unit. Press the Show Frame button at the top of the screen to turn the screen capturing area on or off. Select the Capture tab on the right side of the screen. The four tools that capture the screen appear. Select the Thumbnail tool. You can set the position or size of the screen capture area. Set the background color. Press the Change button to set the file path where the thumbnail image will be saved. The thumbnail file must be located inside the Assets folder. Click the Make a Thumbnail button. The created thumbnail appears. Now let's turn the editor back on. Thumbnails are visible, making it easier to identify characters.